I'm here with my sweet grandma this morning, and we are going to make some chocolate gravy. You going to teach me how?
Yeah.
Okay.
I start out with about a cup of white sugar. Not knowing how many you're cooking for, you have to allow for that now, more or less. And then I put about 2 to 3 tablespoons full of flour in. Let's see. 1, 2. I'll put 3. I'm making a little bit more than I used to. And I will put a good tablespoonful of cocoa in that now. Then I'll stir it up and put my milk in there, which I don't ever measure. I guess that's the reason sometimes it's thick and sometimes it's thin when I take it up.
How many batches of chocolate gravy you made in that skillet, Grandma?
Well, not many in this one because I don't normally use this one.
Oh.
I usually use a smaller size than this. But I thought since a pig was going to eat with me this morning, I'd make more.
Thanks, Grandma.
I don't really know how much. I'd say maybe 2.5 cups milk. Just roughly guessing. Then I'll turn it on and let it start cooking.
What you put it on?
I'm gonna put it on 8. And as it starts getting hot, I'll turn it down more so it won't stick. Some people just puts water in it, but I want milk in mine. And a lot of love.
Gotta have that love.
He loves me, he loves me, this I know. He gave himself to die for me, because he loved me so. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. He loves me, he loves me, this I know. He gave himself to die for me, because he loved me so. When we've been there 10,000 years, we know it's time to sing his praise, and I just messed up.
Is that what you have to go to Jesus meeting while you're cooking?
I do. Turn my stove down a little bit now so it won't stick.
What'd you turn it down to?
7. It's gonna be thick enough.
I'm sure it's gonna be just right. It always is.
No, not necessarily no more. I don't cook as much as I used to. Just me. Well, I think that's done now. I'll turn my stove off and put some vanilla flavoring in it. I put about at least a tablespoonful in here. Like I say, I don't measure such as that. The sun's about to come out.
It's not supposed to rain today.
No, I said it. Be some sun this evening, I think. What a mess.
But it's a yummy mess.
I never. JD'd go up Miss Clarkson's style night before we ever got married. She'd make chocolate gravy. He'd come back talking about how good that was. Well, I was gonna make some. I put me some on. I boiled that stuff and I boiled that stuff and I boiled it. It would not thicken at all. And I didn't know till after I got married you had to put flour in that.
So is Mama Clark the one that taught you how to make chocolate gravy?
Yeah.
Well, it sure is good.
Yeah, it's good for a change. You know, she liked to feed everybody and their cousins.
If you guys like this video, like, subscribe. Let us know if you try chocolate gravy, how it turns out. It's pretty delicious here today.